Hey guys, if you're wondering why this is a tad bit different, just a tad, because I'm recording on my iPad now. Sweet. iPad time, let's go. Anyways, here's the dog. Hi, Anna. Hi. I'm just gonna get, just gonna get the dog. Here's the dog, guys. Little Papa. Bringing the dog into my videos now, Dad. Here's the little bee. Look at that little face. Look at it. She's adorable and I love her. Isn't that right? Put in the comments how adorable she is from 1 to 10. Anyway, see you guys for another video. Bye-bye.